Frost-free refrigerator. Temperature setting. Internal control. Purpose: demo of refrigerator. While switching on the refrigerator for the first time, it will start on default setting. That is, refrigerator compartment temperature will be 4 degrees Celsius and freezer compartment temperature will be -16 degrees Celsius. These are compartment selection buttons. Press the refrigerator compartment selection button for refrigerator temperature settings. Refrigerator temperature can be set between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius as per the cooling required. 2 degrees Celsius will have maximum cooling, while 8 degrees Celsius will have minimum cooling. Press the freezer compartment selection button for freezer temperature setting. Freezer temperature can be set between -16 degrees Celsius to -24 degrees Celsius as per the cooling required. Setting the freezer at -16 degrees Celsius will activate the economy mode. Press Quick Freeze button to activate Quick Freeze mode. To deactivate, press the Quick Freeze key again. Press Quick Cool button to activate Quick Cooling mode. To deactivate, press the Quick Cool key again. To activate the vacation mode, press the temperature selection button for 3 seconds and the vacation mode LED will glow. In this mode, refrigerator compartment temperature will not be displayed and it will be set at 15 degrees Celsius. To deactivate the vacation mode, press the temperature selection button once. In case there is some malfunction in the refrigerator, red warning sign will be displayed. If this happens, please call authorized service personnel.